Why azithromycin is a better choice than clarithromycin for patients taking atorvastatin. Healthcare providers often deal with the overlap between managing infectious diseases and chronic medication use. One important interaction involves macrolide antibiotics and statin therapy. When deciding between azithromycin and clarithromycin for patients on atorvastatin, evidence and clinical practice support azithromycin. Here's why. Atorvastatin is a widely used statin that relies on the cytochrome P453A4 enzyme for breakdown. Clarithromycin, a macrolide antibiotic, strongly inhibits this enzyme. When clarithromycin is given with atorvastatin, it slows down the breakdown of the statin, causing higher levels in the blood. This increases the risk of muscle-related side effects, including myopathy and rhabdomyolysis, which can lead to life-threatening kidney damage. Azithromycin, on the other hand, has little effect on the enzyme and does not interfere much with atorvastatin metabolism. This makes it a safer option for patients who need both medications. Rhabdomyolysis may be higher in patients taking levastatin, atorvastatin, and simvastatin because the CYP3A4 isoform of cytochrome P450 regulates their metabolism. Consider a real-world case. A 52-year-old man taking atorvastatin 40 milligrams daily developed pneumonia and was prescribed clarithromycin. By the 5th day of treatment, he experienced severe muscle pain, dark urine, and general weakness. Tests showed an elevated creatinine and CPK levels, indicating kidney injury caused by rhabdomyolysis. The immediate steps included stopping atorvastatin and clarithromycin, starting aggressive hydration, and switching to azithromycin. The patient recovered fully within a week. This case shows the risks of combining clarithromycin and atorvastatin and emphasizes the importance of choosing the right antibiotic. To avoid such problems, avoid clarithromycin in patients taking atorvastatin unless no other options exist. Use azithromycin instead. If clarithromycin is essential, stop atorvastatin during the course of the antibiotic. For patients at higher risk of infections requiring macrolides, consider switching to statins like rosuvastatin or pravastatin, which are less dependent on the enzyme. In conclusion, using clarithromycin with atorvastatin can cause dangerous increases in statin levels, leading to serious muscle and kidney issues. Azithromycin carries a much lower risk of interaction and is the preferred choice in these cases. Patient safety depends on understanding and planning for drug interactions. This principle applies to routine care as well as complex situations. When treating infections in patients on atorvastatin, choose azithromycin over clarithromycin.